Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In previous video, we have finished 8.4, sorry, 3.4 up to question number 4. Now today we will start 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Some portion was left as we have done in our Zoom live class also these things. But again I am doing so that it will be safe. Right? This video will be there, so anytime you can watch it. Okay, so first of all we will see question number 5 of 3.4. Okay, let's start now. 3.5, question number 5 is without actual multiplication evaluate the following. Without actual multiplication, number 5 is, ध्यान से देखेंगे इसको, मैं लिख लेता हूँ क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, see here, I have written here question. Without actual multiplication, evaluate the following. First one, A is 62 square and second one is 10.2 square. How to solve such type of question? Let's see, and we will solve in exam also by the same method. And in this half yearly exam, you will be asked all MCQ type, but you know how to solve, so that you can solve and you can reply correct option. See this one. 62 whole square. 62 whole square. We cannot multiply 62 multiply by 62. We cannot multiply. So what we will do? Just change the same into the identity. This 62 can we write this one 60 plus 2. 60 plus 2 equals 62 and whole square. Why I have written like this? Because we know a plus b whole square is an identity and a plus b whole square is equal to, what will come? We have to write here using identity. Using identity, which one? A plus b. यहाँ देखो मैं लिख देता हूँ a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have done this one so many times. Okay. Now use the same here as it is. So this will imply 60 plus 2 whole square will be equal to, देखो a की जगह a square है, so this will be 60 square plus 2 as it is. Then a is 60, see here b is 2 plus b square means 2 का square. ठीक है, ये हो गया अपना 2 का square. Correct. So this will be equal to 60 square is equal to 6 6 जा 36, double zero will come. Square कर रहे, just multiply 2 2 जा 4 and 4 6 जा 24, right, and 1 0. समझ में आ गया होगा. Then next one is, this is 2 2 जा 4. 2 square means 2 2 जा 4. Just add these all. How to add? देखो आराम से ऐड कर सकते हैं इसको. 3600, then 240, and then last one is 4. Just add them. This one is 4, this is also 4, 6 plus 2 8, and this is 3. This will be equal to 3844. This is the calculation of the same. So like this, without actual calculation, without actual multiplication, we can do by using identity. Okay, let's take one more question, that is 10.2 whole square. So here also can we write here 10 plus 0.2 whole square. When we will add, the same will come. Here also I will use the same identity. This one, a plus b. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here also I am using the same. This is a. A square means 10 square plus 2ab. 2, a is 10 and b is 0.2. right? यहाँ पे क्या समझ में आ गया होगा, 0.2 plus b square means 0.2 whole square. Correct ना? Now see, this will be equal to 10 square means 100 plus 10 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 10 जा 20, 20 को 2 से करेंगे 22 जा 40, So here 40 will come, but this is decimal after one place. So can we put here decimal? So this will be 4.0, right now? This will be 4.0 plus आगे क्या आ रहा है? This is 0.2. 0.2 square means 2 to the 4. So 0.04 will come. Right? How to add them? Can you add? This is 100 and this is 4.0. So this is 4 and this is 0.04. Like this we can add. This is 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. So what is coming? 104.04. When you will multiply this one by the same should come or the same will come. ये था आपका question number 5. One question from each we will take now and then we will do the next question. Let's take now number 6. I'm just going to write first, then we will see. See here, I have written here question. Second number means sixth question is evaluate the following using suitable identity. Suitable identity means what will be perfect, what will be good, what will be easy to use. That one we will use. Now first question in this the same is 93 square minus 15 square. We have one identity a square minus b square. See, a square minus b square. So identity can you write here? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Right now? This is a plus b or a minus b. So here this is a and this is b. Can we take here a and b? So 93 square minus 15 square will be equal to, this is a, as I told you, 93 plus 15 and 93 minus 15. A plus b, a minus b. Can you take now just multiply, add 93 plus 15 equal to 5 plus 3 8 and this is 9 plus 1 10. This is 108 and here multiply by 93 minus 15. 93 minus 15 is equal to 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 and this is 9. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. This will be equal to 78. Now we will multiply this one. 108 and 78. 108 and 78. 8 8 ja 64. 8 1 ja 8. 7 8 ja 56. 7 1 ja 7. This is 4. 2 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 14. 7 plus 1 8. So this will be equal to 8424. So now you can see we have used here identity. This one we have used and we can do by the same method other also. Okay, let's take one more. Here also we will use identity. This is a square multiplied by b square. So can we use here identity? There is no such type of identity in which a square multiplied by b square is there. Minus is there. Plus maybe, but this is not. So what we will do, just change in the form of identity. We can change, see this is 90 plus 5. So can we write here 90 plus 0.5 whole square. 90.5 means 90 plus 0.5. And here, can we take here 90 minus 0.5 ना? कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? 20. No, sorry, by mistake I have done this one. 19 की जगह हम इसको 20 लेते हैं क्योंकि दोनों में 20 है ना. देखो 19 plus 5 है और ये 20 plus 5 है. 20 और 19 के बीच में आ रहा है ना. तो इसका मतलब हम 20 से करते हैं इसको हम लिख सकते हैं ना 20 minus 0.5. देखो 20 में से 0.5 अगर निकालेंगे तो यही आएगा 20 minus 5. करेक्ट ना. और यहाँ क्या करेंगे? This will be 20.5 means 20 plus 0.5, right? ठीक है. So यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? Multiply by 20 plus 0.5 whole square. right? Now we have a square and b square. So a square b square can be write here. Oh, sorry, by mistake I have written here wrong question, right? Here square is not given in your book. Square is not given. Okay, now we can do it. Okay, so this is 19 plus 5 means 20 minus and 20 plus a minus b and a plus b. A minus b, a plus b will be equal to a square minus b square. Here you can see a plus b, a minus b equal a square minus b square. Here in this one, this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. So this will be 20 minus a square minus b square. No? So 20 square minus b square means 0.5 square. Can you see? A plus b minus b, a square minus b square. This is a square minus this is b square. This was wrong question, that's why. देखो 20 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा, 2 2 जा 4, 400 माइनस 0.5 का स्क्वायर 5 5 जा 25. So this will be 0.25, right now. Now 400 minus 0.25 ये आपको प्रॉपर्ली करना है सब्ट्रैक्ट. 400 माइनस 0.25 ऐसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, डेसिमल अंडर डेसिमल. अब इसको करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, जब 10 में से 5 गया तो क्या बचा 5. नेक्स्ट what will left here, 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here what is left, 9. Again 9, then 9 and this will be 3. So this will be equal to 399.75. Like this we will do. If by mistake we have written here square, but in your book square is not given. Okay. Now let's take now 7th question. Question number 7. देखते हैं, मैनेज कर लेता हूँ, इतने लिख लेता हूँ. See here. Now I have written here next question number 7. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 11, then find the value of, first question in this one is x square plus 1 upon x square, and the second one is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. Very important question. Now see, x plus 1 upon x अगर 11 हो तो हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. देखो यहाँ सिंगल है पावर, यहाँ डबल है पावर. सो कैन वी टेक स्क्वायर फॉर दिस वन ऑल्सो. फॉर दिस वन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक स्क्वायर बोथ साइड. करेक्ट ना, टेक स्क्वायर बोथ साइड. दोनों साइड का स्क्वायर लेंगे तो क्या आएगा, x प्लस 1 अपॉन x होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 11 स्क्वायर. राइट. नाउ x प्लस 1 अपॉन x होल स्क्वायर इक्वल 11 स्क्वायर. इसका स्क्वायर करो, a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर मींस 1 अपॉन x का होल स्क्वायर. ये a स्क्वायर है, ये 2ab है, ये b स्क्वायर है, और इज इक्वल टू 11 स्क्वायर. 11 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 121. 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11 इज इक्वल 121. यहाँ तक क्लियर है. x to x क्लियर, कैंसिल. x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर, ये पावर दोनों में लगेगी ना, तो x स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 121. ओके, बाय ट्रांसपोजिंग कैन वी टेक दिस 2 इन दैट साइड. x square plus 1 upon x square 121 minus 2, right ना. So x square plus 1 upon x square will be equal to 119. ये आ गया आपके पास फर्स्ट का वैल्यू. समझ में आ गया होगा. Now the same we will proceed, means इसके साथ हम कंटिन्यू रहेंगे आगे. अब देखो आगे क्या है, पावर 4 है, यहाँ कितनी है, power 2. So can we take square? So now again take square both side. अब दोबारा से अगर स्क्वायर लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, this will be x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 119 का स्क्वायर. right. So this will be whole square क्या होगा, x square का whole square plus x 2ab है ना, इसको साफ लिख देते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2a एंड b, करेक्ट ना, प्लस b स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 119 का स्क्वायर देख लो क्या होता है, 119 को 119 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, है ना, 9 9 जा 81, 9 1 जा 9 प्लस 8 17, carry 1, 9 1 जा 9, 9 plus 1 10, now here 1 1 9, so again 1 1 9, 1 16 11, this is 4 and 1 1 4 1 6 1, करेक्ट ना, ये हो गया यहाँ तक। अब आगे हम just raising this one, we have multiply and this x square to x square cancel, this 2 2 जा 4, x power 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x power 4 is equal to 1 4 1 6 1, ठीक है। अभी 2 उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा by transposing, so this will be equal to x power 4 upon x power 4 is equal to 14159, देखो इसमें से माइनस करेंगे ना 2 तो कितना आ जाएगा 14159, ये आ गई आपकी वैल्यू x पावर 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन x पावर 4 की, ठीक है। सिमिलरली 8th क्वेश्चन इज देयर, in this one you may use identity a minus b whole square, correct na, you can do by the same method, so 8 also same as it is। 9th is find the value of 36x square if x equal to and y equal minus 2, देखो जहां जहां x है वहां वहां उनकी वैल्यू रख दो, अपने आप सॉल्व हो जाएगा, है ना। कैन यू ट्राई, ओके ट्राई करो आप, फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कोशिश करूंगा 10 to 14 करने की एंड विद द MCQs, ओके। सो टिल, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।